Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings be upon you all. How are you guys? Okay, so today's new product is called Double Game by William Weatherly. It's quite an interesting product. Actually, I'm not sure how newbies are really using this. Actually, that's what the idea is. Actually, to help newbies to what is it like to help them get more exposure. They do some WordPress blogs and they try to rank the article or rank the website to the Google, and it's not easy when it comes to ranking your products in Google, right? So this is where this product is coming in to help you double your traffic, leads, and sales. That's the idea behind it, actually. So if you see this, you're going to discover actually this is a method which is there. It is in existence. Many people use, but many don't really know the power of that WordPress. That website. That's the thing. That's the real secret of this product. Even if they know, they don't know how to use it because they don't accept like spammy things and all those stuff. So this is what this product is like. It's going to help you to your existing WordPress blog, whatever you have, whatever you try to rank your article or website. You review a product and you want to rank them, and you don't know how to really, you'll be struggling, right? That's where this product comes in, which is going to help you to get that extra boost, to get that content out there on the first page of Google. That's the whole concept of it. That's the idea behind it. Rather than whether your website might be a new website, but having it through another website which already has a high authority, which will help you to rank it to the top. That's the idea behind this product. Okay, so see, is it double traffic? That's the idea. Okay, leads and sales, simple one click method, get your offers in front of red dot buyer traffic ethically. Okay, all these go through a sales page at your own time. See, there's basically you're learning the secret of how to leverage an high authority site perfectly fine. That's the simple secret. Even if you have to know that, like, that's website which is an just think, like, there are lots of, we say, like like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, all these, imagine, already have high authority. Imagine having an article on that. It will help to rank, right? That's similar to that. He's talking about another high authority website which is like less utilized. Not people think, why, they don't really go through that route. So he is been able to achieve the result by having his articles and stuff over there with a single click import and to rank them to the top. That's the whole concept. So to build your own authority online. So this is William. All of his previous products I've seen, this is his results. It's not like crazy this and that. He's like what I can say, no BS products. That's what he releases most of the time. I have seen him, whatever the product he releases, you learn a lot from that. That's the truth. And if you see a sales page also, it's like no, like, straight to the point, and it's like a very simple sales page. Anyway, let's jump on to the product just to show you what it contains. See, this is what it is, the double game. That's the most important thing. Whatever he's trying to teach, he has done himself, and it's a case study. So I think it's $10. How much is this going to cost you? I think $10. I think, yes. Oh, not even $10. $8. So for $8, you're going to learn some secret from a person who is been able to rank his WordPress blogs, or I can say his articles, in a different manner in Google. That's what you had to think. Okay, so that's something he shows in the case studies. So you get like 2 case studies, shows you exactly what he's been able to achieve, and he shows you the results, how he is being able to get that in when he promoting his products or other people's products. He shows you that tracking link that he's been able to get the results through this. So that's something that's really cool. So this is what the main training is. Single game. Why he has played like single game is the whole concept of this. If you see, you need to have WordPress blog. Okay, that's kind of a basic thing. You need to have WordPress blog. Like, you already review a product or you are reviewing an article, you have your website. So this is where it is. You need to have this in order to get this up. With this article or your website, you're going to put it in this one of that authority website, in order to rank to the top. That's the whole concept. Okay, this is where the single game, double game comes. A single game is you're directly linking to your affiliate offer. After you add it to that authority website, you're going to directly link to the affiliate offer. But with the double game is basically you're going to link, basically you're going to add this article to this one, but it's like a simple import rather than, you're not just going to copy each and every word. It's just a simple import option you have on this authority website. You're going to get that added to this authority site, and then you're going to not directly linking to the affiliate offer, but you'll be linking to that WordPress site. So in two things, one is your website also gets a boosting in authority, as well as that the original authority site also ranks in the front page of Google. So it's like two things you get, that's why the idea is double game. He has like method 1, method 2. That's the concept behind it, whole concept, and it's a hybrid of method 1 or method 2. This is actually what I would say is people really don't utilize that what do you call, the power of that authority site. Even if they utilize, they don't know, people just like that spam that one, and they get banned easily. They get banned. This is where the secret is. He gives you an idea, unique way where you can avoid that ban from these websites. Okay, just thing is, the whole product revolves around that single thing. That's why I can't reveal that. But to be frank, if you, for the $7 or the $8, you will learn really these secrets from a person who's really using it. I'm more into YouTube, but I'm telling this is really a cool hack, I would say. That's what I would say. It's a hack where he shows you to rank your product or rank your review sites or your review article, whatever you've done, through another authority site. That's what I would say. Okay, so that's the main method. And then also a Q2M method is also another website which he shows you how he utilizes that power. If you go and utilize that. Okay, I think I'm just going to reveal this one, just give you an idea, just to give you a power of one of the website. Let me show you, just to give you the power to know how you can utilize this power. Okay, just to give an overall view what I'm talking about. What is this? Yeah, okay, so see, this is a product. Okay, just to give you an idea what this concept of this product is. Okay, see, this is a product called ClickMagick. You should have heard. It's one of the best tracking softwares, So if you see in the front page of Google, what do you see? One is ClickMagick. This is Spencer Meekum. I know he's one of my mentor. He uses this tactics, what I'm saying. Okay, but this doesn't involve just that. It is also a couple of other authority sites. See this one, Quora. Quora is a general. This is like their own website, like double thing. This is the Grow Traffic and a separate website. But if you see this, Quora is a general website which has an eye authority in eyes of the Google. Anybody who have an article can publish there. But people really, whoever uses it, they really don't know. They mess this place and they spam this place and they get kicked out. I'm telling you, I have also did the mistake when I started, just like that going. But in this method, you need to know how to really utilize the Quora in the right way. Then it gives you lots and lots of traffic. This is exactly a similar method, which William talks about in this product, but a different authority site. Okay, that's what I know. I already told you a hint what the product is all about. This is where the secret is actually. To be frank, guys, you can just go on Quora and you can do it, but you don't know the real way in order to avoid that. Avoid that booting. You might go and just like that put it and put the affiliate link. You don't know how to really use the power, because that thousands and I don't know, so many people go there and just like they try to add some article and try to put the affiliate link. This is where you need to know the secret, how to utilize. Not everything will be accepted easily. Quora moderation is one of the toughest one. They just take you out. You need to know how to put that article in a way that it doesn't look spammy. Okay, that's the secret. So that's just to give you an idea what's the power of getting an article into Quora and to rank for this competitive keyword click magic. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. See the smart business, one of the other guy who's been able to rank. See, Facebook ranks on the front page. Why? It has high authority, so somebody has a post on this is able to rank here. That's the secret. Okay, so this is something else. Okay, this is another website. So that's whole concept, how you'll be able to be on the front page by utilizing the power of the authority side. That's the whole concept. Okay, so similar to that, so this method here, these three methods here, utilizes another authority side in order to rank. I'm telling you guys, this is really gonna be a hack which will help if you're a new website or a newbie trying to rank something, trying to do review articles. This is going to be a way to boost your website, your video, or whatever you're having as a content. This is going to help you with that. So two things, two double game. That's why it's got double game. Okay, that's the idea about this main training. So you need to have a WordPress blog thing in order to get this done. It's like simple to do, guys. If you don't know, I'll give you some cool. I'm sure this is what, that's why he's added. Actually, this training here itself is good enough for you to learn about WordPress. It's simple, so that's the basic thing you need to know. So I think you get the idea, right? The product is really an awesome hack in order to help any newbie to get more eyeballs onto your product. That's the idea behind it. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's for 795. I said it's really worth what you're going to learn. The double game will show you the audience how legally, ethically to duplicate the content on a well-known authority site. Okay, that's the idea behind it. Okay, that's 795. Okay, and then the double game pro, it's going to get more pathway to main training to next level. Learn how to create more content with less work. So that's $27. Then done for your content, $37. Okay, then double game, it's like you get a resale rights, then VIP mastermind. Okay, I think the front one is good enough. That hack, what you learn itself, is more than enough for you to take your level, take your game to the next level. That's what is going to help you. And of course, if you really want, OTOs are optional, totally optional, but I think the pro version will be more helpful with you. But if you can afford it, if not, just forget it. Front end will do. And all the OTOs, I always say, if you come to the membership area, you can always come back and buy. See this upgrades, it's not added. I think it's, you can always come back and buy. It should be good enough for you to come back anytime and check it out. Okay, so that's what it is, guys. You will not be disappointed with this product, I am sure. I myself, out of the three, I know these methods, but one of the methods, because I'm more into YouTube, I really don't use it. I use it in a different way to rank my videos. But one of that method, in that hybrid method, was something new for me to learn as well. So I learned something new. So that's really cool. Anyway, so if you like it, you can click the link below and you can get it. And I've ordered some cool bonuses actually, guys. For the $7.95, whatever you're going to spend, you will not be disappointed with the product itself. And I wanted to give you some cool bonuses. This one, this is something I learned as well, because being in the internet marketing industry, it's all about learning, right? Learning and implementing. This is something I learned and I bought it as well. So this is a cool product, which I think is a cool white hat and black hat method actually, which I learned as well. So this is one of the recently, it's a hack actually. It's really cool, which you might have not thought about it. That's a cool method, which is a 90% white hat and 10% black hat method. It's okay, cool. I'll give you this bonus as a bonus. It's a CPA method, another way to make money. Okay, so then this is the thing actually. In this method, what we're talking about, you need to have some product to promote. You need to go through Warrior Plus or JVZoo in order to get approval. So okay, that's one way. If you can do it, that's good. Okay, if not, the best pays is ClickBank. This is one of the courses which is like awesome course to start your, let me show you actually. It's an awesome course actually. See this one, an overall ClickBank training. Why to say ClickBank? This can be used for anything you do online. This is like, it'll be a basic or I would say an advanced training actually, to be frank. In basic, will not have these things. Okay, see, landing pages, manage chat, email marketing. These are the niches within the ClickBank, how to go about taking it and how to really make use of that ClickBank to start your affiliate journey. This is like the next level kind of a training as well. That's what I would say. So this is a very good course I've added for you guys to kickstart. In case if you're really not getting approval and all those stuff, you can always start with ClickBank. Okay, because you need to have review the product, right? For that purpose, I'm telling. That's a very good course, really a very good expensive course actually. Is one of the for my mentor actually, so you can get that one. And then you have this is something, whenever I say when you promote a product, try to be a recurring product so that you get every month. It's like ClickBank, like ClickFunnels, Aweber, all those kind of products. Okay, so this is some 20 handpicked products I put together. So this is going to be an awesome one for you guys to check out. You know, that's most important thing as an affiliate marketer. If you want to promote product, try to include these, at least few of these recurring products, so you have like every month income. Try to promote such products. Okay, that's something I added here. And this is like, of course, what we're talking about, this method here is to rank your product to the Google. So this is another one of the like a hack, I would say, to rank on Google. Or I would say, like, if you really want to do how to go about ranking on Google, so this could be a PDF file which will help you how about going it, you know, how about choosing the product and all the stuff. That's a like couple of pages PDF. It's could be worth checking it out. So that's the bonus, guys. That's an awesome bonus list I put together. I'm sure you'll not be disappointed with $7.95 spending, learning and hack, as well as also these kind of methods in order to make money online. That's it, guys. That's a double game for you. If you have any doubts, questions, hit me up. I will reply to it. Thanks a lot, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.